Hello and welcome to eTollFree's Cloud Phone System tutorials. Now that we know how to set up incoming call blocks, let's dive into how to block outgoing calls. Blocking outgoing calls in a PBX system is another crucial aspect of managing your telecommunication environment, especially for controlling costs and preventing unauthorized use. Just like creating an inbound call block, go to Applications, then Call Block. Here are the fields that needs to be filled out. Direction should be set to outbound. Select which extension the call block should affect. All means it will block to all agents. Enter the caller ID name that should be blocked. Please note that an exact case-sensitive match is necessary, but this field can be considered optional if a number is specified. Enter the country code 1 and the 10-digit number to block. Action. Choose the action to take if the name or number is matched. Options include rejecting the call, playing a busy signal, transferring to a specific extension, or to a voicemail box. Enabled. Set this to true or false, depending on whether you want the call block to be active. Description. Enter a reason for blocking the number. After filling out these fields, click the Save button at the top right of the call block list page. Remember, setting up outbound call blocking allows you to manage your calls more effectively. It helps you avoid unwanted calls and ensures that your communication system is used efficiently. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.